Hello everybody, welcome back. I was trying to find a water spot here. There's one right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. I'm gonna see if I can remove that chemically. I spritz it with a little bit of this stuff that I showed you guys earlier. There it is. You could also just spray it on the towel, which is what I do a lot of times. I let it soak in for just a minute or so, give those chemicals time to do their job, maybe wipe up a little bit to keep it from running down the hood, run the risk of it causing streaking. And then I just wipe it with this towel. This is a low pile, about 400 GSM towel, a good quality one. No, I didn't buy it around town. Oh man, I take that off. And then to neutralize it, I'm going to spray a little of this McKee's 37 rinses wash on there. Let it soak for a minute. And then I'll take this high quality drying towel, which is the mini Slurpee, I think they call it, from Aqualut's Detailing Supply out of Texas. These are some of the best towels I have ever used from that guy. And then I'll just kind of dry this up. That one particular water spot, it did not remove it all because it has started to etch into the clear coat. So if I want to get the rest of that, I will have to go to a more aggressive method. But it got a lot of it. It's barely noticeable. I mean, you got to get up this close to see it. From back here, and I'm leaning up against the front fender, you cannot see it at all. Ooh-wee. Man. Couple right there. Let's see. Very little effort, and they just disappeared. Now with one of those retail level so-called water spot removers, you'd be here for quite a while. Quite a while. Several of those spots are now gone. Once again, there's one right there that's embedded. You can almost see it's embedded down into either the coating or the clear coat. I'm not sure which. But if I had maintained this car better, once I had coated it and all that, if I had maintained it properly, that would not be there. Would not be there. But you know, like I say, on a daily driver, not a show car, not a brand new car, not a great paint job, you know, that's pretty much acceptable even to me. Because to get rid of that, I'm going to have to get rid of the coating, blah, 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 blah. And I don't want to do all that. Then I'd have to recoat this entire panel, or maybe even this whole hood. I don't know. And I just don't want to do that. Not because I can't do it or that I'm lazy. I just don't want to. But that turned out okay. But I'm going to go around the entire car trying to get rid of whatever water spots I can that may be present with that method. And then I'll probably end up paint prepping it again just to make sure I don't have any residual chemicals and stuff left from either the soaps or this before I apply the TR8, because it needs to go on virgin clear coat or the virgin ceramic coating, or in my case titanium coating. I'm not sure exactly what the difference is, but you get the picture. It will just work better, last longer if you do that. So I'm going to do that. All right, thanks for tuning in, guys. Like, tag, share, swallow, all that stuff. Swallow. Follow. But I'll check with you guys later and maybe show you the final results. Thank you now. Bye.